Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in the Income Tax Department against a person. Reporting tax violations is a crucial step towards maintaining a fair tax system. Before you begin, it is important to understand what constitutes a reportable offense and to collect all necessary details. You will also need to consider if you wish to remain anonymous or provide your contact information to the authorities. To build a strong complaint, gathering specific and credible evidence is paramount. Try to obtain the individual's full name, address, and if possible, their permanent account number. Detail the exact nature of the alleged violation, including dates and amounts. Supporting documents like bank statements, property records, or any communication can significantly strengthen your case. Remember, thorough preparation is key. Once you have all your information, you can proceed to file your complaint. The most common method is through the official e-filing portal of the Income Tax Department. You will need to register and then access the complaint form, filling in all details accurately. If online filing is not feasible, you can draft a formal letter and submit it to your nearest income tax office, ensuring you receive an acknowledgement. After submitting your complaint, you will typically receive an acknowledgement number. Keep this number safe as it allows you to track the status of your report online. The tax department may contact you for further clarification or additional documents, so be ready to provide them. Investigations can be complex and may take several months or even longer to conclude, so patience is important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.